At OE Fashion, every piece of furniture isn't just an item. It's a narrative, an extension of your unique essence, an interpretation of luxury. Our legacy is a tapestry of classic craftsmanship interwoven with modern design philosophy, upholding the promise that luxury is for everyone. In every inch of material, every stage of construction, we pour in our devotion to bring you an exceptional home experience. From the profound depths of European oak to the smooth touch of Italian leather, we handpick materials of the highest global standard. They ensure each contact with our furniture conveys nobility and comfort. Our team of designers are not just masters of their craft. They are listeners, delicately integrating your vision and emotions into each creation. Fashion's furniture pieces are more than space shapers. They are containers of sentiment, bearers of a beautiful life. We are dedicated to sustainability, engaging in environmentally friendly production practices, minimizing the impact on our environment. Every choice you make with Fashion is not just an acquisition of furniture but a responsible choice for the planet. Wherever you reside, we offer global delivery service for every piece. We understand that distance should not be a barrier to the beauty in life. With meticulous packaging and reliable logistics partners, we ensure that each piece arrives at your home safely, without damage. Joining Fashion means you're not just purchasing furniture. You're opening a new chapter of luxurious living. Here, we channel stories through our furniture, transmitting refinement and warmth, accompanying you towards a succession of beautiful tomorrows. Fashion, crafting your choice of luxurious living with confidence. Fashion, luxury for all.